After missing for a few years, now Nokia is going to launch its new, more powerful 5G smartphone. The camera and look of this phone is going to compete with the iPhone. That too at half the price of iPhone. In this great smartphone, you are going to get Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, with 200 megapixel camera. If you too have been waiting for a great smartphone from Nokia for a long time, which is very cheap in price, but has excellent features, then today we have brought one such great smartphone for you. Yes, we are talking about Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G. So if you also want to buy this phone, then watch this video till the end. Because, in today's video, we will give information about the full features, price, and launch date of this phone. So let's get started. Features of Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G. In this great smartphone, you are going to get a 6.95-inch Full HD+ Super AMOLED display, in which you are going to get a touch sampling rate of 390 Hz, with a 144 Hz refresh rate of. Apart from this, you will also get in-display fingerprint sensor, Corning Gorilla Glass 7 protection, and IP69 rating. Camera setup. The camera quality of this smartphone is going to be better than iPhone. Talking about the camera setup of the phone, it is going to have quad rear camera setup, in which you are going to get 200 megapixel DSLR primary camera. Apart from this, 3 other sensors of 50 megapixels, 12 megapixels and 5 megapixels will be seen in it. And if we talk about selfie camera, then for that you will get 50 megapixel front camera in it. Performance. Talking about the processor, you will get to see the great processor of Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in it, so that you will be able to do excellent professional gaming and multitasking in it. Other side, talking about the operating system of the mobile, you are going to get the latest Android 15 operating system in it. Battery backup. Talking about battery backup, the battery of this smartphone is going to be quite powerful. In this phone you are going to get 7000 mAh big battery, which will come with 125 watt fast charging support. Apart from this, you will also get to see Type-C, version 3 charging socket in it. Price or launch date. Lastly, if we talk about the price of this phone, no official information has been received about it till now. But according to leaks, its price could be around $750. And if we talk about the launch date, it will be launched in 2025.